You may notice this isn't the voice you're accustomed to hearing. Don't worry, we'll be back to your regularly scheduled programming soon. Shaye asked me to capture some morning shots on the homestead for Thanksgiving week. It was one of those mornings where creation was showing off. While it's true we should give thanks always, mornings like this serve as a glorious reminder, and I wanted to reflect on that. If Thanksgiving had a color, it would be that morning sky, the golden haze in the air, the faint fog and mountain crevices. It would be the color of baaing sheep and the smell of their breath on crisp autumn mornings. I give thanks for overwintering sheep. As winter sets in, work on the homestead brings its own unique challenges. But for a brief time between high summer and the deep freeze, we get a taste of the idyllic, romanticized picture of homesteading we hold like a secret down in our hearts. A treasured memento, wrapped in cloth and locked away in an heirloom chest. Sometimes, but never often enough it seems, we get the chance to admire it. Like the hills and plateaus in our valley, obscured by the rolling fog, it comes and goes. A glorious kingdom in the mist. I have a question. When's the last time you stared at ducks? For me, it doesn't happen on purpose. You kind of wake up from realizing that you were hypnotized by their mesmerizing mannerisms. They are delightful and terribly messy. Each morning they follow me in anticipation as I carry the grain bucket. If ducks were people, I imagine they would be hobbits, or my youngest son. The other day, a morning like this, on their march toward the trough, I decided to sit down, tossing the grain in the last showing of green grass for the year. It was quiet except for eager bills searching frost-tipped, verdant blades. I give thanks for ducks. This time of year is hard for new chicks, but this mama has been vigilant. She reminds me that among all the beauty, there is still serious working and guarding to do, and miles to go before I sleep. I give thanks for mama hens and autumn.
Back inside, I'm doing very much the same. Tending to the tasks at hand with a heart full of gratitude and servitude. Not because things are perfect, but because I have a willing heart and an excitement to share them with others this week.
Today's video is all about delighting, about taking care of what's in front of us, and Maeve is the way that we do that for our dogs. Both Birdie and Rex are so much more vibrant when they eat a raw food diet, and I'm so grateful that Maeve exists because there were many years where I was cutting up pieces of meat and making our own dog food, but they saved me a lot of time and energy, and the quality is just so good. Maeve is a human-grade protein with organ meats and produce and supplements that's flash frozen. It's made with super high-quality ingredients, and you can read them right on the bag. It's a way for us to show them that we care, and they just do so well on it. You can see just how wonderful Maeve is, how much your own dog will love it, and save 30% off your first order by using the code Elliot. There's details on how to shop your first order with Maeve right below the video.
When I was younger, I thought being an adult just meant having it all magically put together somehow. Now that I am an adult, I realize that behind the scenes of something beautiful is always someone's labor. Whether that's animals on the homestead that need to be fed and tended to, a harvest from the garden, or food on the table. As we prepare to welcome 20 guests for Thanksgiving supper, I'm reminded of the root of hospitality and of our chosen life. My life for yours. Opening up your home, your kitchen, or your table to a guest is to give up a piece of your own comfort for theirs. It's a stop on their path, a point of rest, a warm and welcoming point of nourishment on their journey. It's a moment of saying, "Don't worry, I'll take care of that for you." This week, we offer feasting and merriment to those who will arrive to find not perfection, but a warm home and a welcoming disposition. There will be a fire burning and a bottle of wine open. There will be refreshment, there will be laughter and stories and joy. Our table is far too small for such a crowd, so we will gather on card tables and plastic chairs and anywhere else that guests can find a seat. Our silverware is mismatched, and we will use 3 sets of different dishes and napkins to make sure that everyone has a place. But for us, intentionally seeking a quiet and contented life, this is, perhaps, precisely the point. We don't have grand riches to share with our guests, and we cannot impress them with our earthly goods. But we are willing and able to offer up a piece of our time, our energy, and our resources to care for them in this day. This is beautiful hospitality. A piece of my life I give to you. Yes, come in. There's a seat prepared for you. Yes, come in. Let's break bread together. Yes, come in. Pour a glass. Yes, come in and take a rest from the weary world. Yes, come in and warm your bones. Yes, come in and feel the gratefulness with which this home was built. Yes, come to our table. Our friends, we hope you have a beautiful holiday this week. May the work of your hands and your table be blessed.